How to set your custom playing status on Discord. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can play or how you can set your custom playing status on Discord. For that you have to follow this step. So first of all you have to open up your Discord app here. So here you have to open up your Discord app and log in with your credential. On the bottom there you can see your user setting. You have to go for your user setting here. Click and tap on the user setting. Once you are on your user setting, you have to scroll down and go for the register game here. So once you are on your register game, here you have to go for the edit option and you have to select it here. So let's go for OBS and go for the aid game here. And after that you have to click and rename this. So suppose as like and subscribe here. And go for the edit option, and after that you have to go for the ERC option and tab on your profile here. So here you can see that playing our game, like and subscribe, just started playing. So this is the process. So this is the step how you can set a custom playing status on your Discord. If you want to disable it, go for the user setting again and click on the register game and go for this, and you have to clear this all or click on the cross icon here. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily add or set a custom playing status on your Discord. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.